Good evening, everyone. This is Ruth Jamie Sky, and I'm here. This message is going to the Minister of General Education and Instruction, Mama Awut Deng Achuil. First, I will say Happy International Women's Month. You are one of the women that I celebrate yesterday, and I'm still celebrating now, and I'll still celebrate tomorrow and every day. You have made the female gender in South Sudan proud. You are changing our education sector. And again, please continue, do your job. Don't fear. You are powerful. You are my role model. I know you as a strong, powerful, energetic, humble mother that is doing the right thing to the children she gave birth to. And I'm calling today the security sector in the country. Please provide full security to Mama Awut Deng Achuil because she deserves that. Let her continue to do her job. And whoever is threatening Mama Awut Deng Achuil, please know very well that we are here to support her, and whatever she's doing is for the benefit of this country. If you want a fake A to your child, you are not helping that child, you are destroying that child. Please, let's continue to be serious in the education sector. If you are lying to your child, stealing exams to them so that they'll get A's and you celebrate on social media, but in real life you know this child is not capable, that's the reason why we are receiving fake doctors on the street. We are receiving fake people with very big documents or very big certificates, but nothing in the brain. Let's continue to invest in education. And Mama Awut, we are here behind you. And I'm repeating again, we are here behind you. The female gender is proud of you. Power to you, Mama Awut. You are that woman that Ruth celebrate yesterday, celebrating now, and will continue to celebrate until